everyone, good afternoon here and good morning in the Philippines. For today's vlog, I am going to show you that I make seafood boil. So, yan ang ating kakainin. Meron tayong mussels and shrimp and corn. And then, meron tayong noodles, spicy noodles. And for our side, meron tayong cucumber at kimchi. So, no rice for right now, but maybe later. So, kain tayo. First of all, salamat Panginoon sa pagkain. Kain na tayo, guys. Lava na ba kayo? Lava na tayo. Ito muna unahin natin yung noodles. Kain tayo nito. Yes, I can eat. I love to eat. Hindi yung kimchi. Gaganan natin dyan yung kimchi. Kain tayo ng kimchi. Yan. Harap o. Tayong mussels. Masarap. Meron tayong din sausage. Meron tayong shrimp. I think I overcooked the shrimp. It's okay. It's still actually very hot. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng kimchi ulit. I love kimchi. That's why my breads always smell garlic. Diba? Yummy. This is kind of food that I like. And we have corn. So let's eat. Yummy. Thank you for watching.